Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Xinxin Wang. I'm the presenter today. I'm from Tarlac State University, a doctor of education, major in educational management. The title of my thesis today is Implementation of the College English for General Purposes plus English for Specific Purposes curriculum at Guilin Tourism University. This study seeks to address five key concerns. Number one, how is the college English curriculum described in terms of curriculum design, relevance of the course syllabi, facilities, and teaching materials? Number two, how has the college English curriculum, based on the EGP and ESP model, been implemented in Guilin Tourism University, anchored on the following: course aims and objectives, course contents and materials, course conduct, teaching learning process, students' performance, and assessment. Number three, how are the respondents described in terms of the challenges encountered in the implementation of the EGP plus ESP curriculum in terms of subject knowledge, teaching and learning experience, ESP materials, heterogeneous class, and institutional support? Number four, what curriculum enhancement plans can be proposed to address the challenges encountered? And number five, what is the implication of the study to educational management? This study was conducted in Guilin Tourism University in the city of Guilin, Guangxi Autonomous Region, China. GLTU is an undergraduate institution featuring tourism disciplines. Founded in 1985, the school was formerly known as Guilin Institute of Tourism. In 2015, it was upgraded to an undergraduate institution and renamed. The school aims to cultivate high-quality applied talents in tourism and related industries by attaching great importance to the cultivation of students' foreign languages and practical abilities. In this study, the interviews with the two vice deans of the School of Foreign Languages were conducted on January 28th and 29th, 2024, through Tencent Meeting, a cloud-based video conferencing application that offers virtual meetings. The questionnaires were distributed to the current college English instructors, undergraduate students, and alumni through Questionnaire Star, an online survey and data collection platform with various tools and templates. The data collection began on January 8th, 2024, and July 8th, 2024, and completed on July 19th, lasting for 12 days. After retrieving the tool from the respondents, the data were classified, tallied, and tabulated using the SPSS version 26 for statistical treatment. In describing the college English EGP plus ESP curriculum, vice deans emphasize the alignment with industry standards and the importance of continuous improvement mechanisms. There is general agreement on the relevance of the course syllabi and teaching materials, but there is room for improvement. Additionally, adequate resources are crucial for an optimal learning environment. And while current provisions are satisfactory, enhancements are needed. Regarding the implementation of the curriculum, the integration of EGP and ESP is positively received by both instructors and undergraduate students. The students have higher satisfaction levels in course contents and materials, teaching learning process, and student performance. Specifically, instructors consider assessment the most satisfactory component with a mean value of 3.06, while students feel the teaching learning process the most satisfactory with a mean value of 3.23. Instructors, undergraduate students, and alumni generally acknowledge that they have encountered challenges in the implementation of the curriculum. Instructors and alumni both agree that the lack of institutional support is the most prominent challenge, with a mean value of 2.93 and 2.91 respectively. While students consider teachers' lack of subject knowledge and heterogeneous class are the most challenging components, with the mean value of 2.73. Based on the four findings in the challenges encountered in the implementation of the curriculum, five enhancement plans were proposed, targeted to improve the EGP plus ESP curriculum at Guilin Tourism University. These five plans are EGP plus ESP Collaborative Teaching Plan, Immersive Learning Plan, Collaborative ESP Material Compiling Plan, Differentiated Instruction Plan, and ESP Elective Course Plan. Administrators at GLTU may take the implications from the findings of this research and put on the management work on enhancing faculty professional development, improving hardware and software resources, and completing student assessment system. Based on the findings and conclusions, some recommendations are put forward. First, school leaders and administrators may provide comprehensive faculty professional development opportunities, providing regular and targeted training programs. Another key aspect of instructor support is promoting interdisciplinary collaboration among teachers. These can significantly improve teachers' ESP literacy. Secondly, curriculum planners may aim to integrate EGP and ESP in the development process of GLTU College English curriculum. Ensuring coherence between the two is critical to achieving a smooth transition from general English proficiency to domain-specific professional language skills. Last but not least, college English instructors may promote students' active learning and engagement. In addition to regular activities such as role playing, PowerPoint presentation, and daily reports, teachers should make full use of the internet technology. Actively think about classroom activities suitable for students' academic characteristics, motivate students' enthusiasm for learning, and improve students' practical application of language during the activities. So much for the presentation of my study. Thank you very much.